Hi, I'm Fed and I'm learning to make by watching tons and tons of videos on all kinds of maker topics and cramming that information through my eye holes and into my brain bucket. On today's Quickie with Fed, I'm going to show you how I designed and 3D printed this adapter for my pop filter. Hi, I'm Fed. Ouch. So first things first, what's a pop filter? Well, a pop filter is something that goes over a microphone, in front of a microphone, to keep certain sounds from being heard too loudly on the microphone. Pow! Pa! Pa-pa-da-pa-pa-da-poo! Without a pop filter, pa-pa-pa-pa-pow! That can sound like a really loud popping sound on the microphone. But with a pop filter, it's not that bad. Or you don't hear it at all. It just sounds like a P instead of a pop. When I bought the stand for my microphone, it came with a pop filter. It came with this pop filter. But it's not very good. It's made out of metal. It only has one layer of metal mesh in front of it, and it's very small compared to the one I use now. And it wasn't very effective. The one I have now is made out of nylon. It's much larger, and it's 2 layers of nylon. It does a much better job of stopping the air that's what causes the sound, the plosive sound, the popping sound on a microphone. However, it came with this stand. This stand is really big, it's really heavy, and it was always kind of a pain to have hooked onto the microphone, and it got in the way, and it caused a lot of imbalance in the microphone, and I didn't like it very much. It comes with this removable part up top, and my idea was I'll replace this with my own piece, and I'll replicate this wire design on the new pop filter. And that's what I did. I designed a part in Fusion 360 that was the same shape as the one that had come with the pop filter, but it had a slot in it into which I could put this wire, bend it, and then I could slide it into these holders in the microphone stand. There we go. Tighten it down. And now I have much more useful pop filter that does not get in the way, does a much better job, and it's not heavy and doesn't weigh down the microphone stand. Designing the part in Fusion 360 to replace the original attachment point wasn't that hard, really. It's a fairly simple shape, but I also had to figure out how I was going to place a wire in there and then bend it. And I had this tool from a long time ago that my friend Josh gave me. It's a wire bending jig. And the way it works is you can put in a piece of metal like this, a wire, and you can rotate it and it bends it like that. Now, I thought I could make really sharp bends with this jig, but it turns out I couldn't. This is about the sharpest bend that I could make, which is not very sharp. So what I ended up doing was I did kind of a lazy bunch of bends until this part was lined up with the center of the adapter. So yeah, so that's a little lesson. You can't just use one of these tools to do really sharp, precise bends. I'm sure there are tools that let you do that, but this is not one of them. There you have it, the power of 3D printing, 3D design, and wire bending jigs to create an adapter so I could attach an existing pop filter to my microphone stand. Thank you for watching. Please give it a like if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't. I'd love to hear more from you. Let me know what you think about the videos, and tell all your friends about me. And eat all your vegetables and be a good person. So there you have it.